Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial, where we will explain how to sign up on Cash App. Alright, let's get you up and running with Cash App. It's super easy. I'm on Android, but don't worry, whether you're using iOS or any other device, the steps are the same. Just head over to the Play Store or App Store and type in Cash App in the search bar. Found it? Great, go ahead and hit that download button. Once it's installed, open the app either straight from the store or from your home screen. You'll land on a welcome screen. Now to get started, you'll need to sign in using either your phone number or email, whichever is more convenient for you. That's what you'll use to log in and how people can find you on the app. Next, check your inbox or messages because a quick verification code is coming your way. Enter that into the app to verify your identity. Then just tap Next to continue. Now you'll see the option to connect your bank by linking a debit card. If you're planning to send or receive money, you'll want to do this eventually, but if you're not ready yet, no problem. You can skip this step and add it later. After that, type in your full legal name, and then you get to pick your $cashtag, your personal username on the app. This is what people will use to pay you, so choose something short, simple, and easy to remember like your name or a fun nickname. You'll be asked to enter your zip code next, and then you'll get the option to let Cash App access your contacts. This makes sending or requesting money from your friends way faster. But if you'd rather not, you can skip that too. And that's it. You are done.